This drawing may look fine, but there are hidden issues inside, like mistakes, missing details, or unclear notes. Mistakes in technical drawings happen. Human errors, outdated versions, unclear details, or missing notes. Knowing this helps you work smarter. Check assumptions instead of accepting them. Don't force constraints. Verify critical dimensions early. And ask the designer when something isn't clear. These steps save time and prevent rework. Here we have a conflict. All dimensions and constraints are fine, but this arc causes the problem. On the drawing, it's not obvious that it should be tangent, so forcing tangency breaks the geometry. The solution is simple. Don't make this arc tangent, and the sketch stays stable and green. In this exercise, we'll put the rest of the shape in a separate sketch. This prevents overlaps or open geometry errors and makes it easier to use in later features like pad or pocket. When we exit the first sketch and select the sketch tool again, then pick a suitable work plane, you'll see a new sketch appear in the design tree. This is where we draw the rest of the shape. We can still constrain elements from this new sketch to the previous sketch. This keeps the design connected while keeping the sketches separate and tidy. This line is another case where the drawing doesn't clearly show its position. It likely passes through the center of this arc, so we apply a coincidence constraint with the center to place it accurately. Again, it looks like the arc and the line are tangent, but the given dimensions make that impossible. Forcing tangency here would break the geometry, so we leave them non-tangent. Now we have two separate sketches, but they're still connected.